Pero pagdating sa dry break, second dry break so far for Cap Edgy, 42-45.
Not bad.
Near 500
Yeah, near
as well.
500. 42 wins, 45 losses. Araw Daniel Tawede.
And especially with the way the balls are laid out. Kasi libre na to, kalat na.
Yes.
Pero nanguna po sa Sharking yung kapitan ng Makati.
Nanggaling dun sa close shot for the 5.
Nagkakaroon na ng distansya. But for Daniel Tawede, looks like he's have none of it. Doesn't matter. Take advantage. And in just a short while, we are going to officially meet the new member of the Quezon City Dragons because Daniel Tawede just won his 4th straight rack. However, the cue ball had other plans.
Napalakas pa doon ang tira ni Tawede. Na-scratch pa ang puti.
Now it's official. Cheering so loudly for the Quezon City Dragons. With that wonderful bank shot, the Kingpin.
Ayun na, watching from Indonesia.
Except for 2 times, hindi pumasok yung mga long.
Winning his 5th game in a row.
Brown 7 para pumabor.
Angle for Diocareza.
Or at least a straight 1.
Yes.
Tristan Diocareza. Not a problem. And he is about to complete a personal sweep of the Makati Titans, defeating all 5 players.
James Verano nahihiya pang kumuha ng kanyang nickname dito. Tinanong natin kanina nung sa pregame natin. James, ano bang gusto mong palayaw?
Provincial circuit, di ba?
Yes. Yun na nga. Itong kapitan nila.
Oo.
Si Edgy Marilao.
Si Cap Edgy.
Other lefty at that, Jay.
That's right. Pag yung mga usapang kaliwete o mga also tall guy, Joshua Militante, medyo stretch na yan. And for James Verano,
Sa mga tiradas dito ni James maaalala mo siya. Unang salang, run out ang ginawa dito.
kaya lang umiingay yung Makati. Got it. Gotta remember that guy. James Verano. Fernandez, nagbigay na ng Monique. Oh, huy! Oh!
Talaga namang mapaparemember me ka talaga dito kay James Verano.
To get to the black 8. He will play for it. And he made it!
Yun na nga, one ball sa tingin pa lang dun sa ating camera angle.
There's the little assassin, Joshua Militante. He needs to turn into an assassin mode this early. What a cut shot! Yung sharking na ginagawa ni Sharklord, hindi sa kalaban
No.
sa mga kakampi. He's exploring a combination if anything because that 9 ball is so close to the pocket and that is what Joshua Militante did!
Pamatay sunog talaga.
Hindi na raw bago yung mga pangyayari na bigla bumabaksak yung bola.
Oo.
9 ball! Edgy Geronimo with a golden break!
Hindi man lang pinaporma si Michael Pinay dito. The wife of the Black Carabao. Magandang gabi sa'yo, madam.
See?
Kahit yung kalaban, exactly. Na Quezon City, napapatawa talaga dito.
Sharks Billiards Association YouTube channel saka
Yes.
sa Facebook page. The pool table for Albert Espinola. Give Albert Espinola some live commentary.
Yun ang makikilala natin dito. Yung mga paborito nyong SBA players, guys, ha?
Sa Sharks Billiards Association social media pages. Abangan nyo, Facebook, YouTube, TikTok. May sipa pa. And it seems the Black Carabao will try to put on a show. But he opted to go for a safety. And the long shot. And he made it.
5 ball.
He missed this 5 ball earlier. He will not miss it anymore.
Manuel Ang, I love you
Manuel
3
Ang.
times a day. And Romel Morta. Oh, yun na. Pumapir na. Kay Albert Espinola. Before hitting this 9 ball, Jay.
And that is it. The Dragons starting this week on a very high note.
Let's see. Bit of inside.
On the side, wag muna.
Sa iba na lang sila. Okay, corner for the 3 and
Oh, almost
okay.
scratched.
I think they're not gonna go for the combo on this one.
They will.
Nako, yun pala.
Remember me. That's what James Verano tells the Makati Titans.
That was the second or third time in this rack. So back.
Espadahan ulit.
Yeah, back to the Espadahan with some running right hand spin.
Oh, may tulak pa! What a shot from Totoy Daga!
But it wasn't yung expected result. Double R para sa end game. Very
There's a
nice.
rail first shot.
Hoping to land pretty well for that
nice.
side pocket. Yon, buti na lang at
Albert Espinola this season 37.8 break percentage.
so he just needs to focus on making this 4-ball. Very nice. On the 6. Banayad. Oh, medyo ano pa, brown 7 kung sakaling hindi nakiko-control tong pato. Okay,
Because you can also watch us on Tap Sports.
Sports, that's right.
You can also blast this 8-ball. Has not had stellar numbers, only 7 wins as a doubles practitioner. Para sa Quezon City Dragons, gives them their 5th win. It's a coaching term. That is good. A good role for Solsona.
They can also play a silky ball for the side.
Oh! Yon.
Ooh.
Ginabi, tapos biglang may nagbukas ng pintuan.
Going for the side, probably, or going for the corner. Okay, side pocket for that purple. Pretty good speed. Once he lands pretty well on that green
Side pocket.
or the corner, since it passes the 8, posibleng matamaan yung 8. Very nice.
Albert Espinola, 34 wins and 33 losses. It's actually a 51.8. This looks to be one of the wins though, AJ.
That's right. Pretty good shot from Solsona on the 7 ball. Of course, Alan Solsona now for the final. There you have it, guys. Diretso ng bahagya lang dito sa 3, but there's still some angle. Okay, so he needed to apply some inside spin on that cue ball. This is pretty good.
With an opportunity to end things abbreviatedly. And he does. So Edgy Geronimo in tandem with his fellow Bulaqueño James Verano.
Games to 4 in this race to 13. And again, Quezon City together with John L.A. Garde. At ito naman, Dio Careza, double digits. No need for the cue ball to bounce, I guess. Pag tumama, pag nag-bounce ang pato, talo. De joke lang. Ayun, no? Very nice. Guys, try nyo to. You guys need to try this sometime. Na wag iba-bounce yung pato. Puro control lang sa stop ball. Look at that right there. Perfect stun. Picture perfect final ball for Tristan Deo Careza. Okay, he went for the safety.
Nice.
Garde missed a kick shot similar to this. But this time he makes it. Nicely done.
Where does this cue ball land?
Oh, watch out for the 7.
Where does it land?
Kung medium speed.
Gumagalaw nga yung 9.
Oh, yeah, they tried it.
No
Very nice.
problem.
With
for the
full
Black Arrow.
conviction.
Tawede,
Tinampal niya.
kinakabahan. You're kidding me.
Grabe talaga dun si Daniel Tawede. Sa pressure parang nakikita ko kay Daniel, parang hindi masyadong naapektuhan. Nice. Oh my! Sayang yun. Sayang yun.
Well,
ang ganda na sana ng habol ng Makati.
this is gonna put the Dragons on the hill.
Yun.
He can.
To hold the Quezon City Dragons. Pati ni Mars Alcris. Daniel Tawede. Yun ang winning formula for right.
Well, if you're Makati, this is the tandem that you want to have making that comeback for you.
But that was a clean shot right there from Espinola. Great job. Puts it away.
Extends it, yep. Will now destroy some balls.
Oh my.
Look at the nine, look at the nine.
Come on.
Well, Espinola actually made the one on the break.
But with the looks
Where's
of things
this
here,
going?
a blind combination. Look at this.
Oh!
That's pretty close. Putting the cue ball right. Oh! Double kiss. Back into the side. Nope. Okay. Again, using the 6 and 9. Very nice.
Now between the 6 and the 5 nga.
Oh, look at that. Very nice. Good hit. But, ihahatid lang sa corner pocket yung 3 ball. Ay, hindi. Kombinasyon palang gusto nila. Nakatulong pa ang 7 doon.
Oo.
Yeah.
But that may play as a carom. Depende yan.
So from the 5 ball, kailangan may magandang angle, a 2-rail angle to hit the 9 ball.
Giocareza was the player of the night, won 5 straight racks. There's the break. And that's not gonna work. They've already used their extension.
Okay. Pretty good. He's gonna hide this behind the 9. Great shot right there, Kinay. Nicely done. Medium speed. Totally
Missed it.
missing the 6.
Our king of the hill.
Okay, nicely done.
Talk about resilience from the Titans. And the Titans have dodged yet another bullet. Magandang kalat ng bola rito, AJ. Bigyan mo na.
Nako, ito na nga. So everything looks pretty good for QC Dragons, and pretty nicely it is. Safe to say. Without full conviction.
May disclaimer.
Disclaimer pa talaga. Makati, will they be able to get back?
Favorable layout for the Dragons.
Humahabol.
What is the strategy of both sides?
Sino kaya ang ilalaban? Baka itong si Verano, di ba? Pwede, para debut na
You know, we have
singles
not
niya.
seen pala Joshua Militante tonight.
Not yet.
That's gonna do it. And James Verano puts it away and make it official 13-9 win.
Parang po pwede. Lusot naman dito sa East, Noel.
Instead, he's gonna supposed to have used the 4 ball, pero medyo kita yung uno rito, Doc. Tignan natin if that's part of what he intends to do with this 1 ball. Ayan oh. Ayan oh. A 1-9 carom to give Makati a 2-0 lead. Dito po sa ating 1-on-1 Wednesday. Titans down in this series 2-0. And the break, this time successful. 2 balls going down, Nikki, yung 8 at saka yung 1. So this 2 ball, open layout for Albert Espinola, who looks like he's had enough rest optimally yesterday. Although he did win 5 racks, hindi naman niya pwede i-shark yung kalaban niya habang nandyan siya. What a beautiful thing a night's rest can do for the body. And you know that as a doctor, this 7 to the 9. Short side niya kukunin yung 9. 3-0 Makati, Doc Nicky. Pero at least yun, pag malamig ang boses nun, maganda pa rin. Ito, this is an open shot on the 1. Espinola makes no mistake. Of course, that 9 ball is already sitting very near that corner pocket. Looking good at this juncture. Ayun, tumama nga lang doon.
There you go.
Panayar. I mean, James Verano has not shot anything past the 1 ball.
Yes.
After a miss earlier, tumalo ng konting pamato. But the 9 ball is right there for the picking. The Black Carabao, Albert Espinola, up 4-0. Now the question is, will we see Verano back at the table? Because I'm not sure kung lulusot itong 7 just sa butas na yan, Doc Nix.
Medyo diretso itong tira for the 6. Parang hirap gawa ng paraan for the 7 ball, ha? Pero,
Uy, talaga? 7-9?
but this is a straight-on shot, Noel. Walang angulo dito for the 9 ball. Pero let's see if he can attack this.
He did, and he gets it! Albert Espinola, the Black Carabao, Iwas na lang dito sa traffic na dadaanan papunta sa numero 2. That includes the 6 ball and the side pocket na muntik na maging factor. Looks like he's gonna draw this back. Needs to clear that 4. Remember me.
Talaga naman palang sa kanya na talaga yung moniker na yan.
No more obstructions. Nakanti pa ng konti. This will be a morale booster for the newest player. And he was a deadline signing. Ibig sabihin, siya na po yung last player signed. What came in to replace Nino Ocampo. Remember me! Finally, nakapuntos na rin itong Quezon City Dragons. 9 ball is halfway down already. Side-to-side action perhaps. So baka mamaya, paatrasin na lang ng konti.
5-9 na to for Verano. There you go.
Remember me!
Kapag nag-iisa nga naman, maaalala nyo talaga to si James Verano. Is needed here in SBA. Itong uno.
Kick shot on the 1. Nilayo. Dinikit sa numero 9. But looks like he's gonna make it a full hit on the 1. To the 9, to the 2. Tried to put it behind the 9. Successfully naman.
That's what he did.
Para tayo nagko-cover ng golf.
Crossback.
Crossbank almost successful, but is there a backup plan in that area where the 1 is?
Good hit. Extension. Malakas talaga. Ito si Mario Bautista.
So Espinola's gonna make that 1 ball travel to the opposite short rail. Abot ba? No, he used 2 rails. Almost made it into the side.
There you go.
Sino yun?
Naunahan mo lang ako, Noel.
Is he completely straight though? He's not. Lakas daw. Contact made on the 4.
But this will sell out for Espinola.
Sobrang sell out ito.
Ang isip dito ng ating mga pros.
May
Muntik
iba
pa
nga
dun.
nasukat na. Yung mga iba nasukat na yung buong ano eh.
Yes.
Pag yung unang bagsak pa lang niya, ay na, less than 1 minute to.
Kaya nga the flash eh.
Minsan gumagalaw pa yung ano eh, gumagalaw pa yung pamato. Nakamuwang
Pinupormahan
na siya.
na niya, yeah.
Pinupormahan na niya eh. Libre pong manood. Pwede kayo makipagsargingan kung gusto nyo. Teka muna.
May storya
Teka
pa
muna.
ba?
Teka muna.
Verano will be given a gift by Albert Espinola. See if he will do the billiard here for that 1 and 2. Ang gano'n ng lalayo na lang dito ni Espinola. Itong put ang 1 ball.
Yeah, 1-2 talaga.
you go.
It's, for us, it's not easy. 8 to the 9 na lang ang kailangan isipin ni Espinola. Nag-scratch pa siya when he made the 8 ball. And Verano now on a 3-rack run. O di alam na niya kung anong pwestong gagawin niya. Comes to an end.
Albert Espinola breaking the momentum.
Hey Jayong, if you're watching, bigyan mo na.
It is safe to say.
Ayan, pinasayaw pa yung pamato, papunta sa, naku, lumampas.
Hindi pala.
Kasya naman pala eh. Balls away from restoring. Ooh! Wow! Pumasok naman.
Nauwa sa uga.
But this is pretty straightforward. 8 and 9 into the same pocket. And Albert Espinola survives an alta presión moment and takes an 8-4 lead.
Force follow kailangan dito ni Verano.
Played the 3-9-5 and now lines up a 3-9 combination.
Pawang mga veterano lang ang mga
Oo.
nakakaisip ng mga ganong krokis kung tinatawag nga natin.
Sobrang advanced thinking po ginawa rito ni James Verano. Does not have to deal with the 4 and the 7. Instead, gets a 3-9 combination. They'd be tied at 8. Makati would be forced to use a timeout. Should be rack number 16. He's gonna drop in this 5 ball. Depends on how he lands on the 7. Aabante ulit ng dalawa, Makati. 9-7 advantage now for the Titans. And Espinola, pinaputok pa talaga yung tira sa side. May kanya-kanyang butas na yan.
There you go. Ang pato dito. There you go. Kaliwang ilalim.
Kapag nag-iisa nga naman. Albert Espinola for the gentleman from Marilao, Bulacan. Pero dito talaga pag tournament, there's a lot at stake. Actually pala outside spin. So, at parang naalala ko si Ace Ventura itong sinasabi ni... Ayan, Doc Nicky, ano? Nagsiskid. Minsan bumabaliktad pa yung pectus.
Yeah. Lalo na pag yung mga long shot na ganun.
Oo.
Ang ganda ng mga nagiging resulta.
Able to stop the 3-game run of Albert Espinola, and Quezon City still has a pulse. Should know that he is the king shark dito sa ating torneo. But that was a crucial miss for the Black Carabao. Oh, and a crucial miss going the other way from Verano. Wow. And to think he's a lefty, Doc Nicky, that was easier for a lefty than it is for a right-handed player. And Rafael can't believe it.
And Rafael was stunned on that mistake coming from Verano. Dito sa side ng Quezon City, Noel, yung sharking na ginagawa nila, physical.
Oo.
Ito kay Albert Espinola, parang sinasamahan niya ng dasal.
Yan.
Ang kanyang sharking dito.
Hindi na tumatalab.
Yes.
Pero tumatawa pa rin sila sa taas. Espinola puts it down and gives a high five to the Quezon City side.
May sasayaw na daw, Noel.
Tingnan natin, Albert Espinola, if he does the Carabao dance. Teka muna. Okay na. Kanina dyan siya nag-scratch eh. Kanina dyan siya nag-scratch papunta sa 9 from the 8 ball. But this time, sasayaw na ba?
Derecho ang tira sa 9.
Albert Espinola for the win. Gets it. And there's the Black Carabao dance. Ayon. 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 Yeah. James Verano's had a front row seat to that dance.
Ever the showman, Albert Espinola, the playing coach for the Makati Titans.
Log on to your Facebook para kung gusto nyong mabati kayo while watching sa inyong television, di ba?
Yes. Dio Caresa, sino pa bang susuportahan ito?
3 into the corner pocket. Sends the cue ball around and looks like he has landed pretty well. Wow, perfectly. Draw back just a bit. Or pitik ba? Pitik, okay. To get in line with that Brown 7. Aray ko.
Perfect pa rin itong S2S counter natin for tonight.
Okay. 3 rails for Garde. Ingat lang sa speed. This is perfect actually.
LA Garde and Romiel Morta.
Kanyang partner. Joshua Militante on the 7. Medyo ano pa to mumugabol. Ika nga ni Noel Zarate. Pero may bawi naman sa kabila. A pretty decent angle to simply bounce off the short rail. Same pocket for the 9. Tawede. Oh, 2 rails. Oh! Eyeing to take this 9 into the side pocket.
And Joshua Militante, pamatay sunog dito. Pwedeng manood dito ha. Pero syempre, kung gusto nyong maglaro dun sa ating table sa taas, yun, may bayad na yun.
Yun lang, syempre. Sa mga nagbate po dito sa may Facebook Live, magandang gabi po sa inyo. And keep on commenting. And of course, habang nandyan na rin po kayo, wow, look at this shot right there. That was sick.
Inilaban dun.
Come on, give him a chance on the 4. He deserves it. Look at that right there. Buti na lang kamo. A well-deserved nudge on the 5. Nakitang-kita yung 4.
And that deserves a replay mamaya. Sigurado yan.
Definitely.
Makikita uli natin yung tira na yon.
That's right. And again, wala ring masyadong options to attack the 1 ball. So playing it safe. Behind the 9, Tawede. Nicely executed.
Dahil nagka-problema pa dyan sa ating 1 ball. Balikan uli natin yung mga nagko-comment dito sa Facebook. Medyo
Yun.
marami-rami kayo ngayon guys. Salamat sa
Thank you,
panonood
guys.
sa atin. Albert Baile watching from Angono, Rizal. Philip Ismael Alfuente watching from Iloilo. From all over the Philippines tayo ngayon.
Oh, made the 6. Okay, that was a good shot right there. Since they're up by 2 games and ang ganda ng tintiran ni Romel Morta, then
Okay.
it is safe to say.
Yun.
This is looking good. Ay, nako naman, Doc Nicky, ang hindi po ako ang nag-request. Hang on! A reprieve! Bumawi, kaso nga lang, nakaharang naman ng 4. What a timing, Doc Nicky. Grabe naman. Parang halos wala dito halos andito pala si Noel Zarate, ha? Kahit wala dito si Noel. Diyos ko. Okay, good hit. They might even make this red 3. Come on. Look at that right there.
Ibang klase talaga ang bas-bas.
Tama naman si Albert Espinola. Ano pa naman to?
Heading on na tomorrow kung gusto nilang manalo pa dito sa ating series.
That's right. Kasi clearly, that's clearly a miss. Sa loob ng linggo, ang isang team, they're clearly the series winner
Yes.
na. Di ba? Kailangan pa rin nilang makascore kahit papano.
Ito kay Black Carabao.
It was a clear opportunity na sana para
Yeah.
sa
Ito, yung team stand. Sorry. Sige.
kung paano niya maiiwanan ng magandang angulo. So hindi na niya sasagarin tong pag-draw. Baka yung sakto lang na abot kaya yung pina tulad nito. Kadalasan nakikita natin na may miss. Pero looks like he has secured the 7. Nicely done, Romel Morta. Back for the 9. I guess they have to wait for the next.
So yun na nga, nakalagpas na nga sa kalahati dito ang Quezon City Dragons for both teams.
Nakakailan na ulit, Doc?
Oh, parang
Tigalawa?
third. That's the third or the fourth for the entire night.
Matches for this match. Digging down. Medyo napahina. Excuse me po, medyo naubo ako doon. Nakahang lang sila doon. Dahil libre ang pagpasok dito. Pero saan ka pa makakita na maglalaro na kayo kasama mga kaibigan mo? Sa pagkakakilala ko sa lahat ng mga to, hindi sila swapang when it comes to that. Diba? Talagang they're open. Donna!
Alagang Belladonna it is.
I love it. Sarap. Eto na nga, pambawi ng Makati.
Makati Titans, nakaisa na naman dito courtesy of this young duo na break para dito sa kanyang mga players. And gaganda ng kalat sana ng mga bola. Yun nga lang.
And of course, you need to do your job as a player to convert errors into winners.
Yeah.
The scoreline. Back to the table is James Verano, one of pinasingles na kaagad ni
Exactly.
Coach Double R.
Yun ang tiwala na binigay sa kanya ni Coach Rafael.
Pinakita niya kung bakit siya kapitan para dito sa Makati Titans. We are scheduled for 13. Inside spin, puro pare-parehas na yung mga bulsa dito. Ingat lang sa scratch. Hindi, nilagyan niya ng ibabaw. Very nice. On the 9.
Making it for the Quezon City Dragons.
Pinag-usapan natin taga Marilao, Bulacan, of course, none other than this guy right here, Captain Edgy Geronimo.
Ang carbon na naiimbento na mahawakan ng mga bilyaristang Pinoy.
Pilipino.
hindi din mauubos ang produkto. Ang
Diba?
the SBA, the first 9-ball pro league in the world lang naman, hindi in the,
Yun.
not just in the Philippines. The culture
Diba?
that we're bringing, SBA.
Ng kanyang mga kapatid.
Oo, yun daw ang palayo niyan.
So I think they go way back din nung bukas pa ang side pocket billiards. May opportunity sana ang Makati na makahabol. Ang ganda sana.
We would only need 2 wins after this one.
If Quezon City wins tonight, hindi ibig sabihin nun, hindi lalaban ang Makati kasi
Yeah.
meron pa rin tayong team standings.
Yun na nga.
Yan.
Kasi
Tawede?
Quezon and Militante. ito.
Militante to be back at the
Oh
table.
no, sorry. Is it?
Is it a combination? It is a combination. Look at that.
Dalawa pa nga na pasok dito ni Morta. The abbreviated rack, a 3-9 combo.
Geronimo now needs to get behind that blue 2 if in case there isn't any chance of breaking these 2 balls. So look at this. This is looking good. Okay. Kala ko tatama sa 9.
Grabe yung kargang kaliwa dito sa tira na to.
Pero swabe ang
There you
ginawa.
go.
So thinly sticking this cue ball against that 9 ball. Si Angeles Kahilig Minyano. And of course, we've got Miss Janica Princess Hibala also joining us. Ang huling pares kung sakasakaling manalo pa itong Makati Titans. We're all about the game. It's in the game.
By the looks of things, ayaw pang umuwi dito ng Makati Titans
Definitely.
with this layout.
The other racks ahead since Hill na nga ang kalaban nila.
Yeah.
And they survived.
And the fight goes on for the Makati Titans.
Espinola looking to survive for Team Makati Titans. Look at that right there. Whoa, okay. Hey! Oh my, come on. Give them a break. Pretty unfortunate for the Makati Titans. Quezon City now with ball in hand opportunity. Remember me on the 3. Smooth team. Sasabihin talaga nila definitely that they've tried their best. Hindi na capitalize na opportunities. Pero medyo inalat lang talaga sa Sargo sila sila Albert Espinola eh.
Yes.
So this might end with a 13-7 scoreline because they are 3 balls away. That was kind of a Verano puts it away and look at that right there. It's a picture perfect 9 ball para naman dito kay John L.A. Garde.
Ilalaglag na lang to ni Garde for the 9 and the victory for the Quezon City Dragons dito sa ating Tandem Thursdays.
Para dumoble internet natin dito.
One of the players with the most,
Nakaharang yun doon sa natural angle.
he can actually apply a cut
Ayun.
shot just like that because the Bluetooth is just near
Ayun na.
Billy Campos.
Kagad ano. Boss Billy.
Tapos, easy, maga pa.
Okay. Well, looks like Michael Kinay will be an audience member dito. Yung kahapon was not with the team. Wala po siyang karamdaman. He was out for personal reasons. This is starting to look like a break and run out naman. Doubles. And looks like 100% na ulit si Cap Edgy rito. That rolled the 9 into the opposite corner pocket.
Will make it. 2-0. Quezon City at naging lumabas na lang yung Dimples, si Dimples.
Oh, yun na nga. And I'd like to greet Mr. Doug Preston who's watching us right
Oh.
now from Tucson, Arizona.
9 ball, 9 ball, 9 ball!
Wow! What a
Another
start!
one.
What a start for Edgy Geronimo dito. That's his second golden break of the week.
Baka ganyan nakadispabor eh.
Kung
Unless-
patatakbuhin niya kasi
Oh.
ang daming pwedeng tamaan eh.
Unless his option is to draw this one. The tendency though is if he draw this one, he might make contact
With the 7.
either in the 7 or the pair
Ayan,
balls.
yung
He made
7
contact on
ang
the
ginamit
7 and he made the
yun.
7.
Ang daming na-achieve ni Edgy doon ha. Rail first contact. May tatago ba? Naitago nga. This might even be 2 rails to get to the 2 ball. But he missed it. Oh, he used
Oh,
the 9.
9 ball to the side. It's a difficult cut shot. But he made it.
This is going to be another safety shot. That's
Nope.
going to show. That's going to be hovering over the side pocket.
a 5-9 combination, kaya lang namasyal yung cue ball.
Okay na yan. Cue ball to the 6. So walang issue na ito para dito kay Michael Kinay.
Those object balls go into the bucket para makakuha ng kumpiyansa,
Oo.
no?
It's not handed to them this time. Magandang safety na pinakita. Magandang spadahan na nangyari. To open this opportunity up para kay Michael Kinay. Yan na. Nagtatawanan na sila. 2 in a row for Michael Kinay.
Yep.
Oh,
Romel Surebreed pala nanonood sa atin.
Oy!
Nagparamdam na. Tapos,
PNP boys, mabuhay.
Oho.
Munti ka na yon. LA Garden ang tawag dito, doggy bites. Biglang nag-aw-aw-aw-aw dun.
this is his morning pool
In
action.
Arizona, yeah.
Yeah.
Actions na pwedeng gawin. He might even opt to take it into the corner pocket. Yun lang, oh.
Oh.
A bit of a draw to get that into the side.
Just when Makati Titans, just when they thought they will drop this night, here is Michael Kinay. Next week.
Yun na nga, eh. Oh, 9.
Ahoy! Where?
It's not an easy shot, though. Oy, tinamaan pa yung 9.
The entire Quezon City team dito sa ating season 2 taga Quezon City.
Yeah. Baka mamaya kumakain na naman doon sa baba. Get another side rail to be
Oh.
force the draw. That's
Oh.
good enough.
And nearer to his 7th straight rack. And officially,
Tying
his
the record.
7th
Yeah.
straight rack.
Michael Kinay won the next 8 and now it's a neck-and-neck battle between these two squads. As John L.A. Garden now lines up ang pag-ibig na 2-9. Lots of pressure though on the shot. It is an elementary combination. But when you're trying to catch up, you still have nerves of steel. And ask for an extension for more aim time dito.
Kasi natural angle na lang to eh.
Halos one ball na rin yan.
Oo.
1 to the 9.
Is he gonna go for it? He did! And he made it!
2 abbreviated racks in a row for John L.A. Garden. The score is now tied at 9.
Nagbahat ng
Oo.
bola doon sa bandang baba.
Oh.
Diyan sa punto de vista na yan. And he
Yan,
is
depensa.
going to use those
Ay!
cluster.
Okay, umabot.
One rail. Kahapon papasok yan. Strangest racks that they have seen this entire season. And
Nice.
that shot is good.
Cue ball to hit the 4 and make it into the side pocket. He chose the second option.
Simpakat kasi may nakaharang. Oh, he manip.
Dalawang isip si Black Carabao
Oo.
doon. Kita ba ni Garde rito?
He's gonna play
Hindi.
safety here.
Oo.
Kasi may silip eh. So ganito po dito sa Sharks Arena. Minsan, o kadalasan marami mga wild creatures na lumalabas dito.
Kick
Oh.
shot pa rin. Saan
Lumak.
ka Ayun.
Oh.
Or another safety behind the 9 or the 6. Iyan ang gagawin niya rito.
Sumilip.
Ayun lang. Did not hide for him on the 2 ball.
Not a problem on the stretch.
Ito na naman.
And
Abbreviation
look
na naman
at
ba to?
That.
Tell you,
Aha.
it's not automatic. Makakatulong pa ba yung 8? Hindi.
Madisgrasya
Hindi,
pa siya.
tsaka bubukas pa yung mesa ngayon.
Oo.
By doing this, mapipilitan na naman si Espinola to continue the safety battle. Good contact. Hindi niya na
Aha.
papasok.
Garde yun, papasok yan.
2 balls ang ginamit. Now, 3-9 is a possibility. Unless he tries to avoid it and go short side on the 3. He's not avoiding it.
He's gonna go for it actually. Just enough strength.
And does it pass the 4 into the side? Kasi ang dali na ligpitin to eh. If he can make the 3 into the corner pocket rather,
The 9 ball,
everything, yeah.
the 9 ball perhaps is
Or
blocking its
patamain
way.
niya, kiss ball off the
Oh.
9. Pwede rin naman yun eh. I went
There's
for
a
the 9.
combination. Abbreviated rack by Tristan Jocareza, and he will send Quezon City near the promised land.
You know, for some reason, Daniel Tawede makes a wild shot on the 9. It's not gonna do it. Lalayo lang niya yung bola.
It is a show.
Might even hit the 9 on this one. Almost
Oh,
hit the
got
9.
it!
That's it. From a 4-1 victory.
One more coming up. Dumikit lang sa banda. But knowing Tristan Jocareza, that's not gonna be a problem. 9 ball. Got it!
The Quezon City Dragons extend their win to a 4-1 series victory kontra rito sa Makati Titans.